Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream liquid. To begin, understand that while you can make whipped cream more fluid, it won't perfectly revert to its original unwhipped state. The goal is to gently deflate the air, allowing it to become pourable or easily mixed into other ingredients. This process is useful for certain recipes where a lighter, creamy liquid is desired. The most effective way to make whipped cream more liquid is through gentle warming. Set a bowl of whipped cream over a larger bowl or pot containing warm, not boiling, water. Stir the cream slowly and consistently. This indirect heat will gradually warm the cream, causing the air bubbles to collapse and the mixture to become more fluid. Be patient and avoid rushing the process. Once your whipped cream has reached a more liquid state, it opens up new culinary possibilities. You can stir it into hot beverages like coffee or hot chocolate for an extra creamy, luxurious touch. It also works wonderfully when blended into fruit purees to create a lighter, airier base for mouses, or as an ingredient in delicate dessert sauces. Experiment with its new texture. Remember, while you can make whipped cream more liquid, its texture will not be identical to fresh, unwhipped heavy cream. It will be thinner and less stable, so it's best to use it relatively quickly after liquefying. This method is about adapting whipped cream for new uses, not fully reversing it. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.